Well, hey, what's up, you guys? Guess what time it is? Milady? Well, yes, of course, it is time to take this off again. I almost poked myself in the eye. Let's take the hand off first. Oh, it ripped. And the last one. This entire side of my face is covered in liquid latex, so this is not gonna be fun. I'm like scared to start. Ow, 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 it's in my hair. Oh, maybe, give me a second. Maybe I need to do it fast. No, Just kidding, it doesn't hurt at all. I'm lying to you guys. Hey, but it came off in one piece. That's kind of cool. The face is nothing compared to the neck. Why did I do this? One, two, three. And listen, there are less painful ways to take off liquid latex, but they just take a while and I am impatient. So the suffering I go through is definitely self-inflicted. Okay, I washed my face and my face is fine, but my neck is so red. Well, hey, what's up, you guys? Guess what time it is? It is time to take this off again, and this is gonna be a speed run. Ew. I have to be on a Zoom call in exactly 30 minutes, and it usually takes me well longer than 30 minutes to wash all of this off, so... You can feel the panic settling in. Everything's going on the floor. I'm gonna have to just clean it up later. Whoop. Gotta do the contacts. Maybe I should have washed my hands before doing this. Come on. There you go. Ooh. The lights are pissing me off. Let me turn them off. Ooh, there's a spoiler in the back. Okay, I want to do a makeup print. I think I have time. I hope. This is just gonna have to be a really quick one. I don't have time. I'm taking it off. Okay, that's solid. That's not bad at all. That's a makeup print. Let's go. Let's go, brothers. We're so up. I would never leave you guys without the nightmare fuel. I really can't show up to a Zoom call looking like this, so I'm gonna go wash my face. Okay, it is now 12:55, so I'm gonna go hop on that Zoom meeting. Well, hey, what's up, you guys? Guess what time it is? Well, yes, it is time to take this off again. I'm calling this look Y2 Killed. I did have to use wax for this look, and I despise wearing wax. The application sucks, and the removal sucks, but I did cover my face with latex, so hopefully that's gonna make the removal easier. Okay, should we start with a small one? My cats are going crazy. Oh, I hate wax. I hate wax. Help. Help. Well, the latex didn't really help, did it? Taking off wax is not satisfying, it's sticky. I'm gonna take this off, and no safety pins are gonna stab me in the eye. I'm manifesting. The latex is helping a little bit, but not a lot. But I'll take any help I can get. I genuinely will never understand how some MUAs only use wax. Like, to describe how it feels sticky and greasy at the same time. Oh, I'm getting stabbed right here. Wait, ow, 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 ow. I forgot to remove my contact, but my hands are sticky now. I don't know what. Get out. Yeah. Success. I'm gonna try washing my face, see if the wax comes off, which I know it won't. Well, hey, what's up, you guys? Guess what time it is? Naturally, it is time to take this off again. I can't see because I have contacts on. And I also got my nails done yesterday, and I don't know how to take my contacts out with these nails. But here's what I am gonna do. I'm gonna use my knuckle. Is that what that part of the hand is called? And I'm gonna keep shoving it in the corner. I'm gonna stab myself in the eye. No, that does not feel good. There it goes. Oh! I'm so smart. My eye is so red now. Let's see if I can repeat this on the other side. I'm such a big brain. Guys, I'm genius. I have been waiting to take this tube out. Oh my god. Oh, that feels good. Do we think this look deserves a makeup print? I'm gonna do one just for the off chance it will turn out well. I think I'm done. I was expecting it to be worse. It's not the worst makeup print I've had. It's not the best. It's not the worst. Okay. Okay. Naturally, we need the nightmare fuel. Where is the nightmare fuel? This is fine. I'm still gonna go wash my face. All clean. Well, hey, what's up, you guys? Guess what time it is? Well, yes, of course, it is time to take this off again. I got a brand new white sheet dirty for this look, and I don't know if it was even worth it. I also can't see anything, and I'm dropping things. Let's start by taking the contacts out so that I could see again. I'm definitely getting paint in my eyes and on the contacts, but that's fine. That's a later me problem. You guys, I think I messed up. My hair is frozen solid. Listen. Is that normal? That's not normal. Is it gonna wash out? Like, that's a later me problem. There's really not much to take off here, but I'm thinking I want to do a makeup print. I clearly can't speak when I'm doing the makeup print, so instead I'm gonna sing you guys a song to keep you occupied. Ready? Doobie 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 berry. Oh, that sucks. Where's anything? I guess it makes sense. I did paint my face white, didn't I? I don't like this. That's a bad one. Let's at least get the nightmare fuel. Why do I always do this? Okay, I'm gonna go hop in the shower. Guys, let's hope that I can get this out of my hair. This took me an hour, but I am mostly clean. Brothers, guess what time it is? It is time to take this off again. Did you miss it? Did you miss it? This thing is glued to my neck and it hurts every time I move, so I just wanna... Owie. I forgot how painful removing latex is. Maybe I'll just stay like this for the rest of my life. Okay, no, I gotta... No. I procrastinated long enough. No, I can't do it. Okay, 1, 2, 3. No, it's not coming off. Okay, wait. 1, 2, 3. Help. How hard did I glue this on? Okay, I got a better grip now. 1, 2, 3. I'm gonna rip my face off at this rate. Maybe I should start from the top. Okay, the ears should be easy. 1, 2, 3. Ooh. Okay, going fast didn't work. I'm gonna go slow, maybe give you some ASMR here. Okay, slow, slow, slow. It hurts so bad. 1, 2, 3. I got this, I got this. Help. Ooh. So close, so close. Is it in my hair? It's in my hair. What's on my face? What is that? How long did I have a filter on? I didn't realize that was happening. This is cute though. And of course, I can't leave you without the nightmare fuel. I'm inhaling this water. Stop, stop. I don't know how this step always ends up looking scarier than the original makeup. But I might need to go shower. I'll check back in. All clean now. I'm going to sleep. Bye.
Hey, what's up, you guys? You know what time it is? It is time to take this off again.
You stole my thunder in the face.
My bangs are covered in gloss, and I really don't like that, and I want to take this off.
Here, there you go.
No, not to put in the rest of the hair.
Lead the way, Anastasia. What do we do
first? So first we're taking out the teeth, of course.
Like one by one?
Or should we like do the...
I was thinking...
Let's do the thing, yeah. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, okay, no, I can't go. I can't go. I can't go.
This looks scarier, almost.
Ah.
You're doing so good.
Why does it hurt so much? I'm drooling.
1, 2, 3.
No! I have so much hair on my face.
It's like free waxing, babes. You gotta do it fast. Fast, 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 fast,
No,
fast.
I can't do it.
1, 2, 3. Oh, no,
Oh,
never mind.
I got it.
No, the other part.
The other part. The other woman.
Owie.
I'm
One more
crying.
part left. Like just the eyebrow. 1, 2, 3.
Okay, the eyebrow is not that bad.
And if you guys don't know my channel, we like to do nightmare fuel.
I did not know. Can you stop? Can you stop? I can't breathe your water. Boarding me.
See you next time. Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? Guess what time it is? Well, yes, of course, it's time to take this off again. I am Dream, as you can tell. A very terrifying version of Dream, but I am Dream. I'm gonna start by taking out my contacts, cause, ow, they hurt. I mean, like, they're just more uncomfortable than anything. Now it's time for the smile. Oh boy. Oh. Nice. I did not think that this is what my Tuesday afternoon would be looking like. Let's take the rest of this off. I would say nightmare fuel, but the original look was way scarier than this. Whoop. Okay, this is gonna take a while. I'm gonna go shower. Guess what time it is, guys? It's time to take this off again. I'm gonna take this contact lens off because I can't see anything with that one eye, so I'll be right back. Okay, it's off, and I smeared this part, but I don't care, because, yeah. No, this isn't my best look, but, you know, I had fun with it. Oh god, that looks so weird. Come out! Okay, the teeth are not coming out individually. That would be really cool. So I'm gonna take this whole thing, as a whole piece. So have fun watching that. Lovely. I'll be right back because I'm gonna take this whole thing off. Look at that. It belongs in the trash. Good day, everyone. Well, hello there, you little freaks. It's time to take this off again. Now, I have no idea why I decided to cover up my nose and then give myself a nose on top of the latex. But we're not gonna talk about it. Pretend like nothing happened, okay? It's time for the good stuff. Boom. Tooth gone. Boom. All of them. Be gone. Tooth. Yeah. Oh yeah. Let's do it. Didn't hurt. I can finally breathe. I'm gonna go shower because the makeup wipe wasn't enough, but you have a great day. Hey there, you little freaks. It's time to take this off again. I have to whisper because everyone's asleep. Also, while filming the previous TikTok, I somehow got all of this on my carpet and even my poor stuffed animal. I don't know how I'm gonna clean it off, but let's not think about that. Let's take this off. This is great. I'm enjoying this very much. I actually am. I look like Squidward. Ugh, I wish I could never. My favorite part. Alright guys, you go have a great day and I'm gonna go shower and clean off the carpet before my mom sees it. Please pray for me, it's not coming off. Hey, what's up, you little freaks? How's it going? You already know what time it is. It is time to take this off again. I'm actually pretty happy with how this turned out. So, like, if any zombie movies need, like, a zombie, y'all know who to call. I, like, do want to take it off, but I also kind of don't. Oh, I hate wax so much. Ah! Alright, no, there's latex somewhere in there. There we go. Nice. I'm sorry. This is my new look. Going to work like this tomorrow. Get ready. Just kidding. I would get fired. Whoop. This should be nice. Never mind. Alright, there's a big piece right here. This is literally why I hate wax. It just does not come off. I will also be posting a tutorial on this look on my YouTube at some point. So check that out if you want. No pressure. Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? You already know what time it is. Yes, it's time to take this monstrosity off of my face. I can't wait. There's just so much going on here. I don't even know where to start. I want to take this massive snowflake off of my face. Ow! It only got a little bit of my hair, it's fine. Let's do a smile. Ah! That didn't hurt at all. Let's do the horn. Ooh. My neck is still covered with latex and I have no idea how to take it off. It's like in patches too. I can't even see it. Ah! Help. It's literally just pulling my neck off. I give up. Hopefully it comes off in the shower. Forgot that little piece there. It came off. Woo! Well, hello there. You already know what time it is. It is time to take this off again. I'm honestly so happy with how this turned out, especially how the mouth moves. Like, my sister refuses to play with me while I have scary makeup on, so we gotta take it off. I'm gonna get the hair out of my face first. Alright. I don't even see where the edges are, like, I think I found one. Okay, big breath. Never mind. Let's do this. That made my eyes water. Now the eyebrows. Okay. Oh no. Okay, this eyebrow is still on. That's good. Let's hope this eyebrow is on too. Oh, thank God. I love painting on clothes, but it just takes so long to take off. This is always the sad part. Your daily dose of nightmare fuel. As if the original look wasn't scary enough. I took a shower and you guys have an amazing day. Hey, what's up, you little freaks? How's it going? You already know what time it is. It is time to take this off again. I'm actually pretty happy with how this turned out. So, like, if any zombie movies need, like, a zombie, y'all know who to call. I, like, do want to take it off, but I also kind of don't. Oh, I hate wax so much. Ah! Right, no, there's latex somewhere in there. There we go. Nice. I'm sorry. This is my new look. Going to work like this tomorrow. Get ready. Just kidding. I would get fired. Whoop. This should be nice. Never mind. Alright, there's a big piece right here. This is literally why I hate wax. It just does not come off. I will also be posting a tutorial on this look on my YouTube at some point. So check that out if you want. No pressure.